text description provided by the architects. ARO architects approached the needs of the house with 6 people and divided them into 3 different generations. In Vietnam cities, the level of urbanization development is very high, in which Bac Giang City is an industrial-oriented city. Northern Vietnam with a tropical monsoon climate and high humidity, the air is very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. So, with such problem requirements, the architects have come up with a natural approach to living programs for all spaces, solving the harsh sunlight in the summer and keeping the heat in the winter. The region will be the mainstay for people living in this place. The house with a tropical philosophy takes green space as the main core that surrounds the whole house. The courtyards on the first floor and the connecting space are very flexible, linked together to facilitate the airflow to circulate harmoniously to cool all the spaces. The house is approached by an open veranda that combines the garden and the car parking space, interspersed with the splits of the architectural block, creating an open space between the land to enhance the natural access surface. Nature for the space in the common rooms. Users can open the glass to be connected to the tropical gardens. Each sleeping space will have at least one separate garden space to connect with nature without being affected by the elements. Rain. Users can relax next to their garden every evening or in their spare time. The architectural Fa A Section 8 of the building creates a layer of blue color reminiscent of the traditional memories of the Vietnamese people. This layer of glazing will reduce the intensity of the sun's light on the building. In addition, it will increase more privacy for the layers of living space inside. The garden layer between the blue layer and the living spaces is an intermediate space that partially regulates the microclimate and enhances the landscape, creating a sense of rest for the human mind. With the principle that the used spaces always have natural light and natural ventilation to ensure the cleanliness of the human operating environment. And on the top of the roof, where direct exposure to natural light will be arranged, gardens will be arranged in which there is a cultivated vegetable garden providing clean vegetables for the house, enhancing activities for the elderly and children. ARO will always take ideas throughout projects that always connect people with nature to the fullest extent.